Now we you saw us lock ourselves away for a while. It's not just the photo up that we came from. It's a genuine discussion in a family of APC. There's no way there will be no anger or disagreement once in a while. Let's us pour our minds to ourselves. A loss of one is a loss of all. We've had a very fruitful discussion, and we've been frank, and we've resolved to work together. The most significant of Rotimi Amaechi is saying, give me any assignment, I'm ready to do it.
Oh, good.
That is a joy for us.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.